Run that back, turbo.
I just got 10 million bucks for shit that I ain't even do yet. You spent your money, but I ain't say I was your boo yet. You got your feelings hurt, I ain't really mean to do that.
Okay, so let's just get right into this here video. My hair is actually already washed and deep conditioned, and I actually deep conditioned with the T-Gen Honey Miracle hair mask. This stuff is bomb. This is actually my favorite deep conditioner. Like, ever since I discovered her, I haven't gone back to anybody else. But I'm gonna stop that because I want to try more, you know, put more hair stuff on my page. I didn't deep condition overnight or anything. I did all this last night, but my hair is just wet still, and I slept with a plastic cap on, so I didn't lose any of the moisture. My hair looks good, but yeah. I told y'all I was gonna be bringing y'all this perm rosin video, so here we are. Okay, so yeah, like I was saying, I really wanted to do this video last night, but the girl was tired after the gym yesterday. Just nothing. But yeah, I was just too tired to do last night, to do everything last night, so I just decided to do the stuff that y'all want to see, which is a protein treatment, wash, deep condition, all that good stuff. And if y'all want to see me do a protein treatment on my hair, just comment down below, or you know, like this video, and I will definitely get one of those for you guys, because I'm gonna be incorporating those back into my routine once every month. Since it's the end of February, I won't be doing another one until April. So yeah. I'm only looking at my hair because I have a lot of hair, y'all, and my arms gonna be tied. Okay, they're gonna be tied. Okay, let's get this show on the road. I'm gonna section my hair. It's already sectioned into, well, 2 sections, but each section was into 3 little twists. So I'm gonna section it into that first twist that I have. Put that up. Oh, my hair is so soft. Oh. This is absolutely no product in my hair at all. Okay, so as my moisturizer, I'm gonna be taking this Jackie's Buttercream, and this will just be, like I said, my moisturizer. This is actually my mom's, and she's gonna kill me when she finds out I've been using this, but whatever. I'll buy another one. This stuff is really good, and it smells really good. Ugh. And this moisturize this entire section. I have no idea what my dimming brush is, so I've been using this wig brush, and I mean, it's pretty much the same. They do the same thing. But I paid like $10 or so for that stupid dimming brush, and I have no idea where it went to. I ain't buying another one. Okay, so this is the first section. Then I'm gonna take this and take a very small piece, and this will be my first perm rod, whatever. Since this one up and away as well. Like when my hair gets a little too dry, I spray a little water on my spray bottle, just a little, because I don't want to oversaturate my hair. like I was saying, I don't want to oversaturate my hair with too much water since I'm going to be taking this mousse. And this is the Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. This is the mousse I use to get my bomb twisted off. I have another one here. This is the one I need to use up first. And then I'll go into that one first. Yeah, and I use a lot of mousse. I'm going to break this section down one more time. Yeah, I'm going to break this section down one more time because I don't like them too thick. Because then it doesn't dry. Even though I'm going to sit under a little hooded dryer or whatever, it still like takes too long. So, yeah. So, just going to take my mousse. Two little pops. Put that on there. Maybe one more pump. I use a lot of mousse because I really want my style to set. And then over top of that, I'm going to take the clear EcoStyler Gel as well. Just to give it some extra definition and hold because the mousse is never enough for my hair because I have some really thick hair. Put that over top, especially at the root. And this is the size Perm rod that I use. This is the orange one. I think they differentiate by size and color, but I'm not really sure which size he is. This is the regular size. You can find them anywhere. I bought mine at my local beauty supply store. So I put it at the nape of my neck, and then I wrap and twist my hair at the same time. Wrap and twist, and wrap and twist, wrap and twist. And this is why I use so much gel at the end, so I can twist it on there. Then I hold it and pull the little closure thing down. I'm gonna zoom y'all in so y'all can like really see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna take the next section and do the same exact thing, just so y'all can see. And then after that, I'm gonna speed through it because after that it gets a little redundant. So y'all can see my piercing. It's getting infected. I'm nursing it back to health or whatever. Don't want it. I don't really care. Okay. So, and everything's already moisturized, so I don't have to, well, this section is already moisturized, so I don't have to go back through and do that all over again. I'm just combing out any tangles I might have. Take my mousse. Take some gel. Make sure it's all in there. Perm rod. Put it at the nape of my neck, and then I wrap and twist. 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 And twist. And that's it. So now I'm gonna just stop talking and speed through the rest of it, and you guys can, you know, just watch. First section is done, and now just part for the next section. I don't worry about perfect parts because sometimes those are really hard to get out of your hair without messing set it up a little too much, so I don't really worry about the perfectness. Just take the next section and do the same thing all over again. And with my like front sections, even though this part won't be seen, I add a little bit more gel than the rest of my head, just to the root, because my edges and all that, they get super puffy, and this might not even help. Actually, it doesn't even help most times, but it's better than not putting like no extra security there. So yeah. Okay, that's one side of my head done. Ugh. Y'all, don't go natural. don't grow your hair out. And if keep it short, cause my arms is tired. But yeah, that's one side of my head done. I'm gonna go do the other side off camera and then I'll be back. Okay, so my whole head is finally finished. My arms are tired, so now I'm just going to take this dryer attachment that I have on my little blow dryer and sit under the dryer for a few hours because I need my hair to be dry. Today, on a normal day, I would just do this at night, sleep on them, and let them air dry if I don't have anywhere to go. But I have a few places to go today. I think we're going to dinner tonight, so yeah, I need my hair to be dry. So I'm going to sit under here for a few hours probably and watch TV, read, all this other stuff, play on my phone, all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll come back when it's time to take them down. Okay, so I'm back. It's time to take them down. I took down one already. This was my test piece to make sure, you know, my hair was completely dry. I didn't sit under there. Okay, hold on. I actually sat under there for a very long time, actually. Let me explain. I sat under there for maybe an hour and then I got away from under it because it was so hot. And then after that, I took a break and then I got under there for another hour. And then I just took it off. I didn't just take it off. It's actually been off for a couple of hours. So I just sat in the house with rollers on my head. But I sat under the dryer for a total of 2 hours, but it wasn't a consecutive 2 hours because that thing gets hot. So yeah, it looks good. I'm excited to see. Because some reason my friends always think my hair comes out perfect every single time. It does not, but I think this is gonna be a good time. So yeah, I'm just gonna take my hair down and I'll show you guys what I do after. And I don't pull it, I unravel it the way, like the opposite direction of where I twisted it, and then I take so my hair is hella tight, but I can fix that. It's usually never this tight, but since I sat under a dryer and then air dry, it was super tight. But anyway, to separate my curls, I just take some oil. So I'm gonna take this jojoba oil. I don't know, this thing is like $2, so that's why I bought it. Just a little bit because my hair is still moisturized, so I don't want to have too much oil and then my hair just be greasy to touch. So I just cover my hands. I go section by section and I separate my hair. So I'm gonna put this one up and out of the way. And I separate my hair naturally, where it naturally wants to separate. But I do over separate because I really like big hair. I don't know if y'all can tell that, but I love big hair. So I do over separate. Like, do y'all see the difference that separating makes? Like, and I'm not even done, like, at all. Because I still gotta pick it out because this flatness, it ain't me. It ain't me, Jack. Okay, so there's one last thing that I do is, like, stretching my hair because this is still too short for me. I take each side of my head. And I leave it in for about, it depends on my mood that day, or if I gotta go somewhere like today. So I have to go somewhere today, so I'll just leave them in until it's time for me to go somewhere. And yeah, this, I like this stuffy. But yeah, I'm not gonna leave them in this long for this video because, you know, I gotta end the video. But I just want to show you guys how I stretch my hair. I usually do this at night, that way I can just sleep like this. But yeah, so just gonna take them out real quick and see I got some length just that quick. So yeah, okay. Well y'all, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it and really enjoyed it. This was for all my people who really want to see how I do my perm rod sets, and you know, this is how. So yeah, this is my finished hair. I really hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, just comment down below in the comment section and I'll be sure to look at them. If you're not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it. That way you can be notified every time I drop a new video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching once again. Oh, and be sure to follow me on the gram. It's at QuoiaLen, just like my YouTube channel, because I be posting like little polls and stuff to get more content ideas for my YouTube channel. So yeah, go on over there and follow me. I'll follow you back. I ain't one of them type of people, but yeah. But yeah, so yeah, once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.